conversation. The Crypto Clash AMA is starting soon, so stay tuned. Welcome to the Crypto Clash AMA, streaming simultaneously on Binance Live and X. Join us for an exciting session with our special guest as we dive into our featured project. Whether you prefer Binance or X, join on the platform you love most, ask questions, and be part of the conversation. The Crypto Clash AMA is starting soon, so stay tuned. Welcome to the Crypto Clash AMA, streaming simultaneously on Binance Live and X. Join us for an exciting session with our special guest as we dive into our featured project. Whether you prefer Binance or X, join on the platform you love most, ask questions, and be part of the conversation. The Crypto Clash AMA is starting soon, so stay tuned. Welcome to the Crypto Clash AMA, streaming simultaneously on Binance Live and X. Join us for an exciting session with our special guest as we dive into our featured project. Whether you prefer Binance or X, join on the platform you love most, ask questions, and be part of the conversation. The Crypto Clash AMA is starting soon, so stay tuned.
Okay, great.
So hello and welcome everyone to today's AMA session here on Crypto Clash, streaming simultaneously on Binance Live and Twitter Space. I'm glad to see you, so many of you, joining us as we dive into an exciting discussion about OpenCall Capital and its decentralized investment platform. So OpenCall Capital is designed to reshape how people invest by leveraging blockchain, DeFi, and AI-driven market strategies. The platforms offers a diverse range of investment opportunities, including the tokenized stocks, cryptocurrencies, and hard assets like the real estate and commodities. So with features like a 247 trading, lower fees, and fractional ownership, open calls capital make investment more accessible and efficient. The AI-powered system also plays a key role in identifying the market opportunities, managing risk, and executing the trades in milliseconds, giving the investors a seamless and technology-driven approach to portfolio management. So whether you are looking to diversify your crypto, explore tokenized stock, or just invest in hard assets, OpenCall Capitals brings a range of options under one platform. Now, to take us deeper into what OpenCall Capital has to offer, we have Melanie, our guest speaker and call for today's session. So she will share more details about the platform and answer community questions. So Melanie, welcome to Crypto Clash. So before we get into the specifics of the project, could you introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your role?
For sure, thank you so much about welcoming that warm welcome, Mr. Subnet. My name is Mel Bettawoy. I've been a crypto moderator for about 4 years in a row, as well as a host. But when it comes to my, let's say, my role inside of OpenCall, I'm basically their KOL, which means being a kind of advisor, and most importantly, having like the online presence within the AMAs and explaining what this does and project is all about. So I hope that's 100% clear for all of you. If you have any questions, any suggestions that you may be wondering about OpenCall, don't forget to follow us instead of all of their of our socials, which are basically inside of the Crypto Clash community. Thank you so much, Crypto Clash, for hosting us today. Thank you. Big pleasure.
Thank you, Melanie, for the introduction. It's great to have you here with us today. So we appreciate you taking the time to share insight about the Open Call Capital with our community. So let's dive right into it. So let's start with the basic. So can you give us an overview of Open Call Capital and what sets it apart from other investment platform?
Okay, for sure. Thank you so much for the question. So, first of all, guys, it's a big, big project, to be honest. Of course, not financial advice, but basically, OpenCall Capital is a next generation decentralized investment platform, basically leveraging the AI driven trading algorithms and even the blockchain technology to basically empower investors, with a smarter and safer investment opportunities. So, basically, this project, it's not only for the pro traders, but most importantly the newbies. Like, we were newbies someday, and we were struggling to trade. Open call is basically your solution if you're new into this crazy crypto world. When it comes to basically why are we unique or how are we different to access on opportunities within space, I'm not saying other projects are bad, but I think OpenCool has gotten a really important vibe, for let's say spark, which first of all we're having diversified investment portfolios. So basically it means that we're having access to a big tokenized stocks, cryptocurrencies, even forex, which is a real big market, real estate, gold, and different kind of e-commerces. Let's say when it comes to assets, so you can trade whatever you want, and basically the AI will make everything for you. We're moving beyond traditional investment accountants by gaining exposure to a wide range of asset classes, all tokenized, obviously, for seamless access, and most importantly for fractional ownership. Um, by the other side, we are, like I've mentioned before, AI powered trading. Our whole ecosystem is based on this, so basically it's including the algorithms instead of our technology, which means that we're having 24/7 market monitoring to maximize your profits and minimize the risk. All of you want that, right, guys? To make millions of dollars and having just a lower risk of losing money. Obviously, nothing is absent of risk, so be aware of that. We're having, if you're a really picky trader and you want to trade a lot of stuff, we're having flexible investment options. So you can choose from low yield, middle yield, or even high yield strategies based on your own taste, based on your risk appetite as a trader. And most importantly, I think it's like the main pillar not only about OpenCool, but any kind of investment project and also a successful project, the security. I think we are a secure and transparent ecosystem for you all. So it means that basically our smart contracts ensure full automation, security, and transparency in every kind of investment that you will be doing as an investor. It doesn't matter again if you're a pro trader or a newbie, you are safe with an open call. Thank you. Back to you, Sapna.
Thank you for that detailed breakdown, Melanie. It's clear that the open call capital is designed to give the investor more control and flexibility while ensuring the security through AI and blockchain technology. So now to let's talk about the journey of open call capital. So when did the platform start and what inspired its creations?
Thank you. And that's a great question, actually. It has been live for quite a long time already. It's been 2 years, basically launched in 2023, and basically focusing on the AI power trading and even the algorithm development. So since then, actually, we have achieved kind of a really nice trading volume, which is a total of $1.2 billion across basically Forex trading, Bitcoin funds, tokenized assets. Like I mentioned before, we are super diversified, I'd say. Even the early stage token investments when we made the pre-sale, and when it comes to the investor rewards from this 1.2 billion dollars, over 58 million has been distributed to the investors in just this 3 years. So, like I've mentioned, we've gone through a lot of things, basically since the end of the pandemic. A lot of things have happened, but open call again have came to survive, not only come up as the main business of the whole crypto world, but also probably rewarding their users. So our fully decentralized ecosystem provides unparalleled security and flexibility for investors worldwide, and most importantly, we've been live for so much time. Thank you.
That's really impressive, Melanie. Growing over 1.2 billion in trading volume and distributing 58 million in reward just if within a few years really speak to the strength of open call capital approach. Now let's talk about the people behind this success. So who are the key team members driving the open call capitals, and what expertise do they bring to the project?
I love this question. There's a lot of nice people inside of the team. I love them. Thank you guys, by the way, for building up. Even I'm not the developer. Thank you so much for building up Open Capital till now and surviving the crazy crypto war. I know it's not easier. You need a lot of let's say interest for the project. Really, you need to love it as a developer to make it survive. So, regarding your question, basically, OpenCall Capital is built by a team of seasoned financial experts, even blockchain developers, including former professionals from Bitcoin Sushi. Maybe some of you know about it. With over 5 years of experience, that's a lot to be honest. If you're having really nice team members with a lot of experience, basically that's one of the reasons of why OpenCo is surviving for such a long time. So we strongly advocate for financial freedom through decentralization, eliminating traditional regulatory and even the compliance restrictions that hinder investment opportunities. Not only that, but basically in important countries such like the USA, the UK, even France, which is having MICA, and MICA has been kind of strong right now. So we're getting rid of that. You can be rest assured that you can do whatever you want with your money inside of our ecosystem, and most importantly, with the security part, rest assured that you won't get hacked or something. So also, with the Web3 and blockchain transparency, Open Code Capital is leading the way in trustless investing. So again, you can be rest assured that you're safe here and no one will control your money like, a regulatory part would do. Thank you.
That's great to hear. Having a team with experience from Bitcoin, Swiss, and a strong background in finance and blockchain development definitely add credibility to the open cause vision. So for those who are interested in joining the platform, so what does the process looks like? So how can someone get started with open call capital?
So that's pretty simple. And I think, again, it's even super simple for newbies. Getting started is super fast and easy. You just need to follow a few steps. First of all, obviously, sign up on our platform. You can actually find out the links inside of the Crypto Clash Telegram announcement channel. And after that, you do the whole registration process. It will ask you about your name, just a few personal data, which is super basic. After that, dual deposit funds, you can use Binance, OKS, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and even more wallets are compatible with our platform. After this, you will choose an investment fund. Like I've mentioned before, it goes from the low, medium, or high yield. You can choose whatever you want based on your risk appetite, really your taste. I won't tell you which one to choose. Obviously, that's super personal. So just take the time to read what each plan offers you and what are the requirements so you can know how much money you'll get. And after this, just confirm it and start earning daily rewards automatically. It's super easy. So I hope you like it. Thank you.
Yeah, that sounds like a straightforward and accessible process. It's great to hear that the investor have a flexible option to get started based on their risk preference. Yeah, now let's talk about the core investment opportunities available. So, what type of investment option does the Open Call Capital offer?
Okay, that's a really nice question. I kind of touched on that already, but I think it's super nice that you're asking that so we can go deeper into that. Currently, we're offering diversified investment opportunities tailored to basically, maximize your long-term profitability. And this is thanks to the three programs that we're having. But when it comes to the assets, we're offering cryptocurrency and even forex trading, which I think it's super, super important. Really is front markets. Actually, I'm working with a forex company, and it's so nice to see how people get familiar with this. Actually, instead of these markets, we have an AI-driven strategies optimized for market movements, and at the end of the day, main goal, the long-term profitability. We're having a Bitcoin Found as well, which is basically an exclusive BTC focused investment strategies, which or AI will make a lot of money with this. By the other side, I think this one is particularly pretty cool, which is the tokenized real world assets. Yes, we're having tokenization process instead of the whole OpenCall project, which basically you can secure investments in stocks, gold, real estate, which is a strong market as well, apart from products and crypto, and even oil. And we're having the early stage token investments, which basically you can be invested in more than 100 innovative projects, which will be including meme-coins, gaming, AI startups, and even blockchain technologies. So you can see this part from OpenCo just to kind of make it simple as a launchpad. So there's more than four options where you can invest, 100% safe, super easy. Again, you can check out all the programs instead of the OpenCall website. Thank you.
That's understandable. Thanks for the overview, Melanie. It's clear that the Open Call Capital offer a wide range of investment options from the traditional asset to cutting edge of the blockchain projects. Now, managing this investment efficiently is crucial. So, how does the Open Call Capital handle the trading and the portfolio management to maximize the returns and minimize the risk?
That's a really great one. Okay, so first of all, we're having expert traders instead of the platform because somehow we gotta make that money for you. And most importantly, the AI integration, where again, like I've mentioned before, our team continuously monitors markets 24/7 thanks to this AI. Thanks to this AI technology that we're having, which is super powerful. So, like I mentioned before, we're having a really nice team of highly experienced financial traders with trust them, and even analysts who basically possess deep expertise across various different kind of asset classes. Again, I know the forex market is super different from the crypto market, and that's why we're having this big team. Also, this team provides crucial human oversight. We're interpreting with them, complex market dynamics, and even identifying trends that may require qualitative analysis as a team, and simultaneously with the AI. It's super powerful compared to other kind of technology. We're having the AI powered trading terminal, which is crazy. We're executing, real time trades across different kind of let's say markets. Again, we're having more than four options currently. Um, so OpenCall Capital utilizes a sophisticated AI powered trading terminal that facilitates the high frequency automated trading across a network of multiple cryptocurrency exchanges and traditional financial platforms. So, this advanced terminal allows for the rapid execution of trades, capitalizing on, fluid market opportunities and minimizing the slippage, which is super crucial in this volatile market. We all know that crypto uh, from time to time changes and can be having this volatile changes that may affect our money. But in the case of OpenCo, we're aware of that. You can be rest assured that you won't lose money. And the AI algorithms are capable of analyzing market data and executing trades based on predefined strategies and real-time market conditions. The platform is basically designed to handle a high volume of transactions with speed and efficiency, ensuring optimal execution and maximizing, those potential returns that we want. And the trading terminal when it comes to the OpenCo website is being updated 24/7, so you can be rest assured that you'll have new AI learning models. By the other side, I think this one is super crucial, which is the risk management and action. We are having just to give you a quick overview of it, we're having like an automated portfolio protection strategies to secure the investment. Basically it's like a browse framework to kind of safeguard investment from potential losses. So the automated portfolio rebalancing strategies are basically employed to maintain optimal asset allocation and mitigate the impact of market fluctuations that we may be having. For example, stop loss orders and other risk mitigation techniques are gonna be utilized to eliminate potential losses and protect your capital. There's also the add-in strategies, which are basically implemented to offset potential losses by taking opposing positions in related assets. So, the AI, the whole risk management, everything will help you to make a lot of money. And obviously, the risk of losing money will be super, super low. Thank you.
That sounds like a very robust system, Melanie. So the combination of the expert traders and AI integration, it's great to see that how OpenCall Capital ensure the constant market monitoring and the risk management. Let's now talk about the referral program. So how does the referral program work, and what benefits can participant enjoy?
Okay, thank you so much for your question, Sam. And I love this one because it's related to one of the biggest utilities with an open pool. And most importantly, because this referral program compared to other options kind of grants you a big option to earn money if you just don't want to trade. So you can basically earn up to 10% commission through a four-level referral system. So just to give you a quick example, if you want to understand a little bit more clear, so let's suppose that Alice refers Bob, who basically invests $30,000 in the high yield plan, like the highest one. Bob will earn $1,980 daily in rewards thanks to the program. So from that amount of money, Alice will earn 4% commission, which basically means $79 per day for 10 months, just for do nothing, just for inviting your friend, he invests, and that's it. That's how it works. So obviously, the more people you refer, the higher your passive income will be. So that's how it works. Really simple. Just by inviting people, you can earn money. Apart from the current programs, you can earn money with the referral program as well. Thank you.
That's a great way to incentivize the growth. So clearly the referral program offers significant benefits for those who actively refers others to the platform. Now let's move on to an important topic. So the security and transparency. So how does the open call ensure the safety of the funds and maintain a high level of trust with its users?
Wait, can you repeat that question? I didn't hear it at all.
Yeah, I was asked about the security and transparency of the platform. So how does the open call capital ensure the safety of funds and maintain a high level trust of its users?
Okay, I love that question because I think every kind of successful project, like I've mentioned before, is having this security as main paramount. Because basically, you will make your community happier. So what about having like the best restaurant if you can't make them happier? And most importantly, you'll make them happy thanks to this. So first of all, we're having the blockchain powered transparency. So it means that basically all transactions are verifiable on chain. So if you want to check it out, you just can go through any kind of scan. Of course, it will be chain independent of the network that you're operating with. But every kind of hash transaction, every kind of thing that you do inside of the blockchain is verifiable. Nothing is a mysterious thing. The only great thing about this, let's say, is that we're having decentralization. So it means that directly your name won't be inside of the scan, but everything, every kind of movement is gonna be verifiable. You can check this anytime. We're having a smart contracts, which is basically fully automated investment security, thanks to the AI part. And we're having the security asset bound contract. All the funds, guys, are backed up on the Binance Smart Chain. So you can actually check out our tokens. I'm sorry, or SAF, I mean the security asset found contract instead of the BSC scan. Actually, Subnet can provide it to you instead of the Crypto Clash community. So don't forget to check it out so you can know that actually this exists. It's 100% safe and it's on the blockchain. So if you know how to read a contract, you'll notice that this is 100% safe. Thank you.
Yeah, it's always reassuring to hear from you, Melanie. So, with the blockchain-powered transparency, smart contracts, and the security asset, the fund contract, it's clear that the Open Call Capital takes the investor security seriously. Yeah, now I have noticed that Open Call Capital has its own meme project named Mukbang Coin. So, what's the idea behind this project, and how does it fits into the broader vision of Open Call Capital?
Thank you for that question, Subnet. It's a big pleasure to talk about this. So, Macman Coin is actually privately listed and available for trading on Radium, Phantom Wallet, OKX, which is one of the biggest ones, and even DEX tools. So, you may be asking yourself, okay, but why KC? Why would I invest in this? First of all, is a viral foodie meme token. Connected to Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, even Instagram. So it's a really, really nice option for trading, and it's actually more than just a myth. MKC is a movement to fight global hunger. It's super, super nice, super inspirational if you want to check it out. And you may be asking yourself, okay, if I invest, what do you get in exchange, right? As a utility. So holders actually enjoy 20x higher monetization rewards, which is freaking crazy. You actually don't find this in any kind of project, with access to over 10,000 plus food merchants offering discounts and even sponsorships worldwide. So, what are the future plans regarding this meme coin? We'll be having a driven food social platform, but basically we'll be connecting merchants, creators, and even communities, so they can talk to each other and having this basically benefits that I've mentioned before. We'll be having social commerce and the food rewards, where we'll be enhancing food shopping experiences for any kind of user who basically is a holder of the MKC. We're having obviously the MKC security and liquidity. Obviously, because OpenCall is super, super honest with you all. 80% liquidity is locked, okay, from the whole liquidity. 10% supports charity and 10% funds development and marketing. So that's the whole tokenomics that I can tell you by now. How can you get MKC early? How to buy it? There's an exclusive airdrop actually. So if you invest in OpenCall Capital, you can get up to 10 million MKC for free. So if you want the info, don't forget to check out our website and go ahead. If you're considering, if you want to invest in both of them, you already know the steps. Thank you.
That's an interesting project, Melanie. It's great to see that how mukbang coin goes beyond the just being a meme coin to create the real world impact, like the fighting global hunger and the offering unique rewards for the holder. Finally, looking ahead, what next for Open Call Capital? What can the community expect in the coming months?
There's a lot of things coming up, mostly probably in 2025. We're having inside of the Q1, it's the one that I'll mention. We're having a new dashboard, a new website. It's super fast and obviously optimized for all of you to have a really great user experience. We're also having a fiat integration with MoonPay, so you can basically deposit and withdraw not only in crypto but fiat currencies. It doesn't matter where you are at. MoonPay will make the whole swap to crypto or to fiat. We're having the AI-driven market insights, where you will be able to see the real-time trading intelligence with the AI technology. Um, Most importantly, we're having investor gaming and staking, where you can earn rewards through different kind of strategic investments. And obviously, most importantly, I think this is like the basic stuff inside of OpenCall, which is the AI powered trading bots. So automated trading strategies for basically spot futures and even options for trading, like I mentioned before, or even on forex. So that's great. We're diversified. So yeah, that's like the kind of introduction that I can give it to you. This is what is happening in Q1 of 2025. Thank you.
Thank you, Melanie. Thanks for sharing that. It's exciting to see that how all this development coming to the Open Core Capital, from the revamped dashboard to AI-powered trading bots and the fiat integrations. So yeah, with that, we that wraps up our today's AMA session with OpenCall Capital. We have covered a lot of exciting topic from the diverse investment opportunities offered by the platform, including the cryptocurrency, forex, tokenized asset, and the early stage token investment to the cutting edge AI-driven strategies and the risk management feature that make the OpenCall Capital stand out. A special thanks to Melanie for joining us today for and providing us such valuable insight into the platform. It's a team, it's a future roadmap. We truly appreciate you taking the time to share all of this with us. And of course, a big thank you to our committee for tuning in and being a part of today's discussion. So, if you have any more questions or want to dive deeper into the Open Call Capital, feel free to join their community channels and reach out there. Yeah, so before we end our today's call, do you have any closing remark, Melanie?
I do. Thank you so much for really, nice me. I love Crypto Clash, to be honest. It's a big pleasure to be here. And everyone, please check out OpenCall. Remember that I'm just a KOL. I'm not directly part of the development team, so I cannot really give you like an investment advice. So be aware of what you're doing. Check out the whole website. Do your own research properly so you can know where you're investing at and how much money you'll get in return. But I think it's a big, big one. Big project with a lot of potential if they do the things right. Again, I'm just an advisor. But yeah, go check it out. Again, the links are inside of the Crypto Clash announcement channel. And I hope to see you soon in another Amy. Thank you so much, Sapna.
Thank you, Melanie. And with that, we will be wrapping up our today's session. Thanks again for joining, and we hope to have a great day ahead. Goodbye.
Bye bye. Have a great one, boys.